this lecture we will be talking about the dashboard. Now what is the dashboard? When you log into your account, the Jira account, the first screen you see is your dashboard, and by default you will be seeing a system dashboard. Now considering a situation, let's say you are a developer and you want to see what issues are assigned to it. So you will first log in here, you will go to search for issues, or if you have saved a filter you will use that, or you will do a search query, or you will say my open issues. Let's say suppose this activity, whenever a bug is fixed, you are doing this activity to check it. Now what the Jira says, even if you are able to save 5 seconds, an activity you are doing 20 times a day, that would be around 4 to 5 minutes, let's say. So if you are able to save 4 to 5 minutes, then it is good, and you are doing this activity daily. So Jira has done customization on its dashboard also. So Jira says the activities you want to check regularly, just showcase them on the dashboard, so you don't need to go inside the Jira tool. It saves your time and your efforts also. You can customize this dashboard. So currently what you can see on the system dashboard is an introduction to the Jira, all the issues which are assigned to you, and the project status, the feed status. So this is default dashboard. One effectiveness of this is that you are a big project and you want to show overall health of a project, the let's say the sprint, how the sprint is going on, or and those stuff graphs. So you can connect to a projector and show as view as a wall board, and it will be shown in the projector. Yeah, you can also opt for view board in slideshow, so it will be coming a slideshow. One advantage is this also. So let's see how you can make your custom dashboard. So dashboard section is here, so you can opt for system dashboard or manage dashboard, or you can go here and you can say create your own dashboard. Give it a name, let's say demo dashboard, or give it a name more logical, my dashboard. And description, leave it blank, start from blank dashboard. Okay, and to whom I want to share this? So I want to share this with the project, Canment, all those who are assigned to Scrum sample project and all, and I click on add. So you need to click this add. Okay, so it will be here and just create. So a dashboard will be created with 2 widgets. So you can edit the layout also, like you want to have 1 widget for 2, let's say pick this one. Okay, I think that seems the logical itself. This is logical. Okay, now we can add the gadgets or the data which will be shown in this gadgets. Click on this, you will find this. We load more gadgets. So they have segregated under charts. You want to show charts, Jira, other, wallboard. Let's say charts, and I want to see the chart for, let's say, created versus resolved chart. Okay, add it here, and through Jira I want to see the activity stream assigned to me. Okay, I want to, that's all from here. You can see what is saying. It's saying that assigned to me, it's assigned to me gadget, and how many results to show. Let me say 15. What fields I want to show priority. Let's say I want to also show the created date, and when I want this to be refreshed, I want this to be refreshed after 15 minutes, and save it. Once I save it, you can see here assigned to me tickets are coming with all the fields which I mentioned. I mentioned customized created field also, and it is being shown here. Let's go down the activity stream I asked for and just save it. automatically refresh the activity stream, and this is created versus resolved chart. No filter project selected. Let's say give it a name AA and see. Okay, so for this a filter needs to be created. Let's remove this gadget. We have to make a filter. It's a filter that you need to select a filter regarding how many tickets are closed and how many were added. So let's add an easy filter so it can be showcased. Oh, okay, pie chart. Okay, this pie chart filter. Okay, let us add that filter, one filter which we have created for the bugs. Let's say this was the total bugs, and by, let's say, status. I want to show the graph in status, not the Epic link, the status. And I click on save. I can move it also here. I will move it here so it looks neat and clean. Okay, so this is my home page. So once I log into my account, instead of the system dashboard, I will be shown as my dashboard. And what I was interested in, assigned to me tickets, which I just get it from here. I can check the pie chart of how many total bugs are there. That out of these bugs in the project of this sprint, 1 is in progress, 3 needs to be done, and 4 is done. I would get the overall health of the project. Also the activities stream. So whatever you want to show as, you can make that filter and you can show it here. So now if I want to know overall status of the bugs or the issues, I can get it from here, and I can also check the issues assigned to me. So I don't need to go inside the Jira. It will save a lot of my time. You can still edit your layout. You can use this or whatever layout you want. You can have that 3 layout. You can, so whatever you want. It's totally customizable. So you must be checking now that why you must be getting the answer why Jira is popular. You must be seeing the customizations we are able to do with the help of Jira tool. So that's all we studied in this lecture about the dashboard, how we can customize the dashboard, and we can create our own dashboards.